Got something in the mail today. WAGO, whatever they're called, says that I requested free 221 samples from our friends at Silver Symbol. I don't recall ever ordering anything from them, but I'm happy to see them. I've heard about these things called lever nuts 221 series. Connecting different conductors types is quick and easy with WAGO's compact 221 series splicing connector. Well, that sounds like a nice thing anyways. I'm glad they sent them to me. I wouldn't have bought them because I pretty much go with traditional things. I'm not interested in trying new things because mostly it means that you have a whole bunch of stock that is either old and no longer useful, or the new ones are real expensive and not very useful because they cost too much to install. But I'm open to listening to other people's suggestions and thoughts on this, but at this point I'm thinking, nah, I don't want to monkey with it. What do you guys think?